Admission of a partner, sum number 20. Meet, Jeet and Neil are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31/3/17 was as under. Okay. Meet 1 lakh, Jeet 75,000, Neil 50,000, general reserve 12,000, investment fluctuation reserve 20,000, workman compensation reserve 15,000, workman profit sharing fund 35,000, workman saving accounts 40,000, creditors 23,000, building 1 lakh, machinery 80,000, investment 60,000, debtors 40,000, stock 64,000 and cash 26,000. Total is 3,70,000. On the above date, they admitted here as a new partner on the following conditions. Meet sacrificed 1/8 share and Neil sacrificed 1/24 share from their profit in favor of Hale. Goodwill is valued at rupees 60,000. Hale will bring her share of goodwill in cash. Market value of investment is 52,000, which is to be given in books, shown in books. Claim for workman compensation is accepted rupees 18,000. Market value of machinery is 60,000. Market value of building is 1,26,000, which are to be brought in the books. Here will bring 50,000 as her capital and cash. Capital of the partner shall be proportionate to the new profit and loss sharing ratio. Taking Hill's capital as a base, necessary effects is to be given in cash. Prepare the necessary accounts and balance sheet after admission of Hill. Now, first of all, we have to find a first of all we have to find a new share. Yes, sacrifice is given. We have to find the new share. So formula for new share is equal to old share minus sacrifice. In question they have given Meet's old share is 3:2:1. Meet, Jeet and Neil old share is 3:2:1. Okay, so your Meet share is 3/6 and sacrifice is 1/8. Okay, by taking LCM we will make the denominator equal. 8 6 and 6 8 48. 8 will be multiplied by 3, so 24 minus 6 upon 48 is 18 upon 48. Neil's old ratio is 1/6 and sacrifice is 1/24. By making denominator equal, 24 2s are 48, 6 8s are 48. 8 1s are 8, minus 2 upon 48 is 6 upon 48. Jeet old ratio is 2 upon 6. So here also we have to make denominator equal. So 6 8s are 48 and 8 2s are 16 upon 48. Now here, okay, so your sacrifice of both the old partners will be the gain for the new partner. So here 1/8 plus 1/24. By making denominator equal, 24 2s are 48, 6 8s are 48. 6 plus 2 upon 48, so 8 upon 48. So here new profit and loss ratio is 18:6:16:8. Okay, if we will make if we will cut it by 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. So ratio is 9:3:8:4. Now goodwill for sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio of Meet and Neil is 1/8:1/24. Okay, by making denominator equal, 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are, so 3/24 is to 1/24, it will be 3:1. Now here we have to find the goodwill of Hill. Goodwill of Hill. Now goodwill is valued at 60,000. It is given in point number 2 that goodwill is valued at 60,000. Hill will bring her share of goodwill in cash. So here his share is 4/24, which we have found. 60,000 multiplied by 4/24 is 10,000. Okay, this is the share, the goodwill of Hill. New capital of partners. In last point, that is point number 7. They have told that capital of the partner shall be proportional to the new profit and loss ratio, taking his capital as base. Okay, we have to take your here capital as base. So share of here is 4 by 24. When here share is 4 by 24 and here brought 50,000 as capital. So what will if the mid share is 9 by 24? So 24 by 4, by doing reciprocal, 4 will come down and 24 will go up. So 24 by 4 multiply by 50,000 multiply by 9 by 24. So we will get 1,12,500. Same we have to do for nil also. When share of here is 4 by 24, at that time she brought 50,000 as capital. So what will be the capital if nil share will be 3 by 24? It will be 37,500. In the same way, Jit share will be 1 lakh. Now all the explanation is finished. Now we have to prepare revaluation account. Okay. Whatever amount is increased, we have to write on credit side, and whatever amount is decreased, we have to write on debit side. First, point number 3, market value of investment is 52,000. But in balance sheet it is written 60,000. In balance sheet it is written 60,000. After that, no, point number 5, market value of machinery is 60,000. But in balance sheet it is given 80,000. So market value of machinery is decreased by 20,000. So we have to write on debit side machinery 20,000. Market value of building is 1,20,000 and in balance sheet it is given only 1 lakh. So it is increased by 26,000. So by building account 26,000. Afterwards, workman compensation claim. Workman compensation claim. In point number 4 it is given claim for workman compensation accepted rupees 18,000, but workman compensation reserve in balance sheet is given 15,000, so it is decreased by 3,000. Now balance of credit side is more, 26,000 minus this 23,000, the difference will be 3,000. This difference will be distributed among old ratio, that is 3:2:1. 3,000 multiplied by 3 by 6, 1,500. 3,000 multiplied by 2 by 6,000. 3,000 multiplied by 1 by 5 is 500. Now we have to prepare, after revaluation account, we have to prepare partners capital account. In partners capital account, on credit side, first of all we have to write the balance of capital given in balance sheet. Mid capital 1 lakh, JIT 75,000 and NIL 50,000. Afterwards, whatever reserves are there, that we have to distribute among old partners in their old profit and loss sharing ratio. So your general reserve, the profit and old ratio is 3:2:1. So 12,000 multiplied by 3 by 6 is 6,000. 12,000 multiplied by 2 by 6 is 4,000 and 12,000 multiplied by 1 by 6 is 2,000. Afterwards, premium of goodwill. Premium of goodwill means goodwill brought by new partner, that is 10,000. Now premium of goodwill will be distributed among sacrificing partners only. Here two partners have sacrificed, that is Meet and Nil. So premium of goodwill will be distributed among old partners in their sacrificing ratio. Okay. Premium of goodwill will be distributed among old partners, means partner who have sacrificed in the sacrificing ratio, that is 3:1. 10,000 multiplied by 3 by 4 is 7,500. 10,000 multiplied by 1 by 4 is 2,500. Afterwards, investment fluctuation reserve. 12,000 multiplied by 3 by 6, 6,000. 12,000 multiplied by 2 by 6, 4,000. And 12,000 multiplied by 1 by 6 is 2,000. Now here whatever revaluation account is there, profit of the revaluation account will be transferred to partner's capital account on credit side by revaluation account 1500, 1000 and 500. Afterwards, we have to maintain the balance, means whatever balance we have found capital. Okay, they have told that capital of partner shall be proportional to the need, that whatever we have found is capital, we have to mention in partner's capital account by writing two balance carried down, 1,25,000, 1 lakh and 37,500. Now all the entries are faced. Total of credit side of nil is 57,000 and here also 57,000. 57,000 minus 37,500 is 19,500. Okay, we have to write to cash account. Afterwards, total of debit side of GT is more, that is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh minus all this difference will be 16,000 by cash account, and total of mid on credit side is 1,21,000 minus 1,12,500, it will be 8,500 difference. Now this balance carried down will be taken to cash, will be written on this side, balance sheet. Now after preparing partner's capital account, we have to prepare cash account. We have to prepare cash account. Now in balance sheet, cash is given 26,000. On debit side, we have to write two balance brought down 26,000. Premium of goodwill means goodwill brought by here 10,000. Capital brought by here, that is here's capital 50,000. Afterwards, whatever capital, here we have found cash 8,500, 19,500 and 16,000. That we have to mention here. Mid's capital account 8,500. Nil's capital account 19,500 and Jit's capital 16,000. So difference of this will be 74,000. And this 74,000 we have to mention in balance sheet, cash account 74,000. In balance sheet as on 31/3/17, after addition of here, on liability side whatever capital we have found here, means after doing working note, whatever capital we have found, we have to mention here. Workman profit sharing fund 35,000, which is given in balance sheet. Workman saving accounts 40,000. Creditors 23,000. Provision for workman's compensation 18,000. Now we are building whatever amount is actually, means increase or decrease, total amount we have to write here. Building 1,26,000. Machinery, that is given in adjustment, that it is 60,000. Investment 52,000, which is given in adjustment point number 3. Debtors 40,000, stock 64,000, cash 74,000, which we have found here. Total of both sides will be 4,16,000.